So today I'll be talking about Fusion 360. Now Fusion 360 is a software that I've been using for a long time. It is my go-to software for 3D designing, CAD modeling and all those. So today I'll be showing you how to design a simple keychain in Fusion 360, and I'll show you two processes actually to do that. So this video will show the first one, and I'll make a follow-up video to show the second process. So here we are in Fusion 360. Now the in Fusion 360 on the left side you can see all the views. So right now I want to see the origin right now, so I'm clicking on the eye beside the origin. So there you go. So I can see the origin right now. So if I expand the origin, I could see all the planes and the axes. So if I click on this one, this is the XY plane, this is the XZ, and this is the YZ. So in the basic idea in Fusion 360 is that you first create sketches. Now sketches are 2D drawings, and then you can extrude those 2D drawings into space to make a 3D model. So that's the basic idea of Fusion 360. So right now we are going to create a sketch in the XY plane, so that is this one. So I'm going to click there and right click there, and I'm going to click on create sketch. So right now we are in the sketching environment. I don't need to see the origin anymore, since we are already in the sketching session. So right now on the top you can see a lot of tools for sketching. So these tools include rectangle, circle, arc, polygons, ellipse, etc. So I'm going to click on the text tool. So I want a text, since I'm going to be giving a keychain, making a keychain. So let's put my name in there. Alright, so there you go. And also I can scroll in with my with the scroll button. Alright, so and also the height, let's give the height 15 millimeter. So, and I'm so double clicking there just to change the font. So let's see, I'm going to find a font that I like. So the bad thing about this interface is that I can't see the font when I'm on the while selecting it. So I have to just select it first and then see what it is. So also while selecting the fonts with very thin walls like this one will be very difficult to print, so I would recommend not using such fonts. Alright, so let me figure out a good font for this one. This one seems good. I'll give it a bit of bold and italic, and okay, that's good, fine for me. Alright, so now I got my text. Now I need to put this inside a keychain, right? So I need to draw the shape of the keychain. So I'm just going to make a slot right now. Slot is something I would use a center to center slot, and just put two lines across, and there you go. So that's it. Okay, so I've drawn my slot too. So right now I have the outer shell of the keychain and also the text. So what's left, I think there's the hole for the ring to pass through. So I'm going to click on the circle, and I'm going to get a center to center diameter circle. So I'm going to put it somewhere around here, and let's say the size should be 3 millimeter. So a 3 mm hole should be perfect right now. So that's it, done now. So I'm going to finish the sketch right now, and now I have to extrude this sketch into space. So there's a shortcut for extrude, that is E, the key E in the keyboard. So I'm going to press that, and as you can see I got the extrude toolbar right now here. So I'm going to click on the plane that I need to extrude, and this would be this part, right? So clicked it, and I need to extrude it, let's say around 4 millimeter is fine. All right, okay. So now now as you can see the sketch has disappeared, but I still need the sketch to extrude the text for it. So I'm going to sketches right here, and I'm going to put the visibility on for the sketch. So right now I can see the sketch again. So I also need to extrude my name. So I'm going to click on extrude E and the shortcut E again, and I'm going to click on my name this time. All right, So this is my name came, and I'm going to pull it up a bit. So as you can see right now, it has automatically detected that it is going, the extrusion that I'm doing right now is going to a already present body, so it's trying to cut it. So I don't want to cut, I want to create I want to join it with the previous body, so I'm going to click on join here operation. All right, so I would like the thickness to be around, let's say, 6 mm. All right, so it's done. So now I don't want to see the sketch anymore, so that's it. I got my kitchen. So right now I could modify this a bit. So one very good thing about Fusion 360 is you can go back to your designs and modify it. So let's try that. So I'm going to so as you can see on the bottom corner, there's a timeline here. So this is basically whatever you did in your project as of now. So as you can see, if I would like to see, this is the extrusion where I extruded my name. If I click here, this is the extrusion where I extruded the base of the keychain, and this is my sketch that I made. So I'm going to go back to the sketch. All right, and I'm going to double click on the sketch. So actually I don't need, it is not necessary to go back, I can do it from here also. So I'm just going to do it from here. So I'm going to double click on the sketch. So there's a cool feature in Fusion called offset. Offsetting is basically when you draw a perimeter around an already drawn line or shape or form, something like that. So I'm just going to click the shortcut for that, that is O. So I clicked on offset O, so, and I clicked on this part, the outer shell, and see right now it has given an offset of 1 mm, so I can have it inside or outside. So I'm going to give it put that offset inside and -1 mm. All right, so let's make it 1.5. All right, now it's looking pretty cool. So I now have a border for the kitchen too, so I'm going to finish the sketch right now. That's it, done. So right now the border has not been extruded yet, so I would like the border to be extruded along with my name. So I'm going to double click on the timeline here on the bottom half. So I'm going to click there. So as you can see, the sketch is still invisible, so I'm going to put the visibility on for the sketch right now, and see I'm going to click on the border. So as soon as I click there, I can see the border has also come, and I'm going to reduce this to 5 mm. 6 was a bit too much. All right, so it's done. So the basic kitchen has been designed right now, and I can put this onto for 3D printing.